My name is Tim Mendoza. I'm a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu first degree black belt, business owner, and father and husband. I'm down here to get the treatment of the NAD ozone therapy in Meyers cocktail. The moment you get here and you're greeted, they know exactly what you're here for. They know exactly what treatments are going to be given to you. Any questions you have about the treatments are answered, and it just makes me feel energetic and just really on point. Just real solid, clear thinking. It's helped my jiu-jitsu tremendously. The feeling to win is unreal. When you walk away with a victory, getting your hand raised, it just feels amazing, like all the hard work and everything paid off.